Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a small but super powerful supplement, you've got to try this one by BioSchwartz. It's magnesium. I was surprised at how tiny these capsules were. They're so easy to take. If you have any trouble at all taking capsules, these are so tiny, but don't let the size of them fool you. I was surprised. This is a very small package, but there's 180 capsules in this. So that's great. And even though they are tiny, they're very powerful. They work really well. They're chelated, and so they are so readily absorbed by the body. People take magnesium for different reasons, of course. I like to take it for restful sleep and for muscle soreness. So I'll take 1 or 2 capsules in the evening, and I don't have any bad effects from taking it. It's not hard on my stomach at all. This is the best magnesium supplement I've ever used. So if you're looking for a magnesium supplement, try this one out. I think it's great. I love the type of magnesium it is, and I love the size of the pills. And that's just my point of view.